Good morning, students, and welcome in our Grammar Online class. We are learning lesson number 7 Nouns, Common Nouns. So, I hope you all have understood about the common nouns. Common nouns always refers the nouns in general way. Okay. We have seen in previous video bit B. We have find out the common nouns from the sentence and underline. So there is one more exercise depending upon common nouns. As you can see in the left side, there are some sentences, means fill in the blanks, and on the other side you can see there are some pictures of common nouns. So we have to firstly read the fill in the blank, then look at the picture, think about the common noun, and then we have to write in that blank. Okay, so first of all I will read the question. Bit C. Fill in the blanks with suitable common nouns. Number 1. The dash are playing chess. So as you can see here who is playing chess? Yes, here two boys are playing chess. So what we will write here now? Yes, we will write B O Y. Yes. As you can see here, this picture, here is a man, he is wearing a uniform. Behind him there is aeroplane, so he is a pilot. So the sentence or the blank may be written by a girl or a boy who is talking about his father, obviously. So see, my father is a pilot. See, it may be you can write like my uncle is a pilot, or my grandfather is a pilot, whatever you can write, but here we are going to write my father is a pilot. Here we are considering that the sentence is written by a girl or a boy, and he or she is talking about his father, so we will write here father. So what is spelling of father? T E R. Okay, don't write. Number 3, swims in the pond. So which common noun is this? Yes, this is the picture of duck. So we will write here a duck, duck. Please write in neat handwriting on your book, okay? Don't copy me. Next, the dash is sitting on a tree. So see here, who is sitting on the tree? Yes, monkey sitting on the tree. So we will write the, what is spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Okay, so let's see next. Number 5, Eliza loves to eat dash and dash. As this girl is eating fruits, so in her plate there is which fruit? Yes, there is apple, and sorry, the next picture of the fruit has been cut down, so the picture of next fruit, that is banana. So we will write Eliza loves to eat, what she is eating? Apple. So we will write firstly here apple. What is spelling of apple? A P P L E, apple. And there is picture of banana, so we will write here banana. So let's write B A N A N A, banana. Okay, the last one, 6, the dash brings us letter. So can we guess Which man is this? Yes, this is a postman. So we will write here postman. 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 So this is how your exercise completes here, and lesson also completes here. I hope you all have understood how to use common nouns. Keep in mind, but while writing in your book or notebook, please write in very neat and clean handwriting. Please don't copy me. So see you in the next video.